Hi, in front of me is ESSENTIELB HeYou 60 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard on this device. First of all, open Settings, scroll down and click on System. Now Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Then choose Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo by clicking on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. After that, select Apply and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!